Alright, this is basically video number 2. I did a video kind of an overview of both of them, but I worked on the Polaris, and I think I got it narrowed down. That's the first video. I think I got it narrowed down to the stator. So I thought I'd start with this Kawasaki, and opened it up and wasn't getting any power from the starter. I put in a good battery, so I know the battery tested good here. And since I wasn't getting any power, I've got my test light connected over there. But so I just made sure I was getting power to the relay, and it was. So you can't tell from up here. I'll go around. So what I did, since I wasn't getting power, I took this off, and this was corroded inside there. So I sanded it off, much just like the Polaris behind me. Contacts were bad, so took that off. And if I can do this with one hand, I've got my tester light. I've got it connected to the engine over there, so if you can see it, I'm now getting power. It's lighting up. So it should turn over, and we'll see what we've got. I opened up the box, and it was actually really corroded in there. So let's see if I can open it up. Also, I've got the fuse pull out here. It was blown. I thought I had it. Yeah, here it is. I don't know if it'll focus on it, but I can't tell if you can see that. But anyway, fuse was blown. Fortunately, in this little bag they had a spare, so I popped that in, and so we should be good to go there. The spark plugs are I've got a couple extras if I need it, but there you can see, if you can tell, they're pretty rusted. So I'm hoping there's not moisture. I hope it's not rusted down in the engine. First video, just to recap real quick, both of these were given to me. I just had to go pick them up. I don't know how long they'd been sitting outside in like a trucking yard, and so just seeing they're really nasty. You can see the fender well here, but this will all clean up. What I'm trying to do is to get these running, see if get them by the spring, summer, if they're good enough to get out on the water. I haven't done a compression test yet, so, but anyway, I'm going to let's see, may try to hook you up to the back of this jet ski. Hopefully I can take me about a minute to plug back in the starter and see if we're getting any power. So I'm going to hook you to the back of this jet ski, and I'm going to see if I can get that put back together. Probably should check time sec. I'm just going to put that back together. I'm not going to check anything else on it here. Get it back in there without losing them. So it just screws in. If I get it lined up, get it screwed back in. I'm having trouble getting it lined up. quick because it's always going to come off easier than when it get back on. Well, I'm going to see. No. I think I've got it backwards here. Took it off, forgot how it goes. Let's see. Yep. All right. Here we go. All right, so we got this. Now we're getting power. I don't know if you can hear that, so that's not good. It sounds like the starter. I may have mentioned this before. One of the issues I noticed is the shouldn't even be turning over. So this must be corroded as well where the lanyard goes, because it should be kill switch is actually on, so it's trying to turn over with that. But anyway, so we got I'm getting power to the starter. I guess, like I said, hopefully you could hear it. So now I'm gonna have to figure out how to get down there to the starter. So I'm going to stop the video for a few minutes and see if I can get my camera down there and see where the bolts are and see if I can get that starter out. My hope is when I pull it out, maybe these are all kind of one fits all. I've got another starter in the garage from an XP that I got that came with a trailer, but the engine came separate, and I know it still has a starter on it. So if I can get this out, I'll test it and see if I can get another one in here. So anyway, I'll stop it now and try to work on that starter, and then I'll get back.